I'm a Penobscot Indian, living on the Penobscot Indian Reservation. I landed at 0630 in the first wave. Difficult. I treated many wounded, and I dragged many men from the water to keep them from drowning, because many men were wounded and they could not move, they could not swim, and the tide was coming in very fast.
Dear veterans, dear friends, dear all, thank you for being at our side today to celebrate D-Day, and especially honoring Native American soldiers who took part in the Battle of Normandy.
Charles Shea typifies the bravery of the 1st Infantry Division, as well as the service and sacrifice that Native Americans displayed at Normandy and beyond.
My name is Peter McDonald. I'm the president of the 13 surviving Navajo Code Talkers.
During World War II, over 44,000 Native Americans served in the armed forces. They stormed the beaches of Normandy, Iwo Jima, and provided the only unbreakable secret code of the war. They were 400 strong, and they were known as the Code Talkers.
By the time the war ended, 1945, there were 400 of us that went to war. And also code words grew to 600 code words subject to memory only. In every battle, from the front line, beach command post, command ship, all other ships, code talkers were used. Without Navajo, Marines would never have taken the island of Iwo Jima.
My name is Leslie Edwards, but it's Leslie Edwards Jr. The military, we know the role the armed forces played in establishing that we could move as a nation to be better than that old way of living that was accepted in the South.
Although the armed forces were segregated along with much of the country during the war, the Tuskegee Airmen proved to be some of the best pilots in the military, and their legacy and inspiration continues to this day.
We are a product of the people that came before us, and I wouldn't be sitting here today to receive this award if, the Tuskegee Airmen didn't exist.
What she has done is the same thing that those Tuskegee Airmen did. And what she's done, and what many of you have done, is prove that courage and ability, and the ability to get things done, and the ability to lead people in times of chaos and times of danger, that really doesn't matter what color your skin is. What matters there is what's in your heart, what's in your head, what's in the training you've had, and in your grit and determination. Cool. I'm so proud of you. Wear that home and get the Virgin Islands showing that, all right?
The dedication to principles of loyalty, patriotism, strong religious faith, and devotion to family displayed by Hispanic Americans is basic to the American way of life. Hispanic Americans have played an important role in the development of our rich cultural heritage, and every state has benefited from their influence. Through the years, Hispanic American citizens have risen to the call of duty in defense of liberty and freedom. Their bravery is well known and has been demonstrated time and again, dating back to the aid rendered by General Bernardo Galvez during the American Revolution.
Hispanic Americans have left an indelible mark on the American military since before there was even a United States. Spanish General Bernardo de Galvez helped defeat the British during the American Revolution with troops from what would become Puerto Rico, Cuba, Mexico, and the Dominican Republic. Hispanic Americans continued service in every era of U.S. history thereafter. Puerto Rican soldiers have fought for the United States since the Revolution. An all-Puerto Rican regiment, the 65th Infantry Unit, fought in both World War II and Korea. It was the last segregated unit in the United States and highly decorated. In April of 2016, the unit was finally recognized with a Congressional Gold Medal.
Thank you for the honor of allowing me to join this assembly of distinguished members of Congress to represent the 65th Infantry Regiment, also known as the Borinqueniers, for which I was part. It is a well-deserved tribute to the brave men that fought many hard battles in Korea, those who survived, as well as those who lost their lives in combat. Their devotion to duty and many acts of valor against the enemy demonstrated their skills and their loyalty to the United States.
I asked my grandpa's best friend today as we were leaving Good Man's Wake, what kept your buddies for so many years? He said, son, we were there. We were there. We were the sons of liberty, fought side by side on the sands of Normandy when duty called. Him and I, we did our share. Yes, son, we were there.
When we wear this suit, when we wear this uniform, we're one. Doesn't matter where we came from, doesn't matter what religion we ascribe to, we wear the suit. And because of that, we treat each other as peers, as colleagues, and that one person puts their life in that person's hands, and another person puts their life in that other person's hands, and they're one.
We were there when Martin Luther had his dream. We were there, saw JFK, heard the siren scream. We were there for our sons in Vietnam. We were there for this great land.
I served in the Army. It's just, an honor to serve. It's something that's rooted in our culture. It's tied into like our history of a people where we just take pride in defending those who can't defend themselves.
It must be ingrained in our culture that you have to work hard to achieve your goals. I don't know if that was ingrained from years or our ancestors, but I think that's it. And I think that Hispanics, just like any other culture, just want to contribute and want to be part of our great country.
Saying we were there, we were the sons of liberty for America, home of the brave, land of the free. When duty called, you and I, we did our share. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. We were there. Oh,
One thing that changes the world is an idea. And we lose out on ideas when we don't include everybody and we're not diverse in how we bring people together.
America, we know, is composed of diverse communities. We have different languages, different skills, different talents, and different religions. But when our way of life is threatened, like the freedom and liberty that we all cherish, we come together as one. And when we come together as one, we are invincible.